Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. This is a quick update video on Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR, and today at the time of recording on Friday 10:54 a.m. it is up almost 4% and you can see in the chart that it went even higher. It came down, but it's still like what's the news, why it is driving the price so high and it came down. So in this particular video I will share the news. At the same time, I will talk about the technical analysis, the support, resistance, and the trend. At the same time, should you buy or sell at this point? So first of all, look at the big news that the news came today at 7 o'clock in the morning that Palantir awarded 111 million contract to provide mission command platform for the United States Special Operation Command. Big news, right? $111 million, a big number. So the United States Special Operation Command USSOCOM, so USCOM, to continue its work as their enterprise data management and enabled mission command platform as part of the mission command system. The contract is valued at a total of 111 million, inclusive of options, with 52 million executed upon contract. So they will get 52.5 million executed upon award. The total contract includes a base year and one option year. So Palantir's platform has been used by USSOCOM in real-time mission operation to incorporate and so many things. Why it is important. So when special operators are risking their life in no-fail scenarios, they deserve technology that helps. Our partnership with USSOCOM was one of the first in the US military. So one of the first in US military, and we are honored to keep providing technology and that gets the job done. So that's a big news. We know Palantir, they were having lots of government contract, and this is one of big contract because the amount is big, 111 million, and also this is the very good news. And the share price reacted very well today. So now look at the overall price action. This is the one-day price action, and you can see that I have a box here, and that box was before because lot of consolidation was happening at that point. And at that time we said we have to maintain that particular area, which is between 23-24 area, but we came down all the way to $16-17. Now we are going up, and currently we are again within the circles. So it is important for Palantir to hold this particular level, do not get below these lines. And also I want to show you one other thing, the trend line I want to show here, because this is also important, I guess. So look at the trend line. It was moving, coming down, moving and coming down, but end of the day it was coming down. So each time it was making lower highs and lower lows, right? So it is very easy to see here because you see the overall trend was going down. Now what happened? It has broken the trend. For last 2 days it is green, and finally it is on the outside, on the upper side of this black line. So it has broken the downward trend, which is really good. Now if it's a good news, so what is next? How can we make some profit? So I also want to draw some support and resistance before I talk about what's the plan. So one support is definitely around 27.5 area, because you can see some kind of resistance here. This is one other area, 22.5, and we were at that resistance level yesterday, but after today's news we broke that resistance. It went over, so we went very high around 24.8. now we are coming down. We need to see, but important is we need to hold this 22.5 area. But if we can hold this, I think the next area would be around here, because you can see some kind of resistance in this area, which is around 24.2. we went over that particular resistance, but we came down. The thing is, can we maintain that? That's the important thing. And there could be some other areas, not too strong, but again 25.86. Just looking at this, you can see last time we made up to here, then again it was some kind of resistance, some kind of support. It was here, not very strong, but I'm just showing you because if you want to make some kind of quick swing trade, then maybe this is useful for you. And if it comes down, the worst case, if the market is correcting again or anything happens, I think this is another area we should be looking at, because you see some support here in this area, right? 21.3. So in a nutshell, what should be happen? So first of all, it has broken the downward trend, which is really good. Now it is moving upwards. So if you want to establish some position, good. If you're long term and if you establish some position around 17-18 area, congratulations. I made I bought some shares around 19 or 18 area. I'm just riding, I'm not selling because I want to hold it for some time. But if you want to make some quick swing trading, then I think this is important for you, because we need to hold the 22.5 area, or if it comes down even less than 21.3, this area. On the upper side, 25, 24.3, 25.9, and 27.5, and these areas are important. Now let's look at a daily level RSI. You can see it's going up and up, but normally when it is over 70, it is overbought. You can see whenever it goes over 70, it comes down. So maybe if you want, you can wait for a pullback. If it comes down, then you can buy. Also look at the MACD here. The blue line is up, of the orange line is going up. It might continue for some time, but again, the stock can't run back to back many days. Look at the green candle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 back to back green days. So there might be little pullback. So if you want to wait for the pullback. Maybe it can come to 22.5 or 21.3. Set some limit buy order. Even for pre-market, you can buy. Now look at a 1, or let's say a 5-minute price action. How we are doing today. So you see the resistance here. We went up, we came down. So this is important. And this is the 21.3 area. You see it was a resistance for some time. Previously it was a support. So anyway, you get the idea. Now if you want to play with call option, let's see what options we have. So I'm looking at barchart.com and I'm just looking at PLTR. So today is Friday, so we are not going to select this definitely for yes. For PLTR, I suggest always take some longer expiry date. And also if you want to wait, I think better to wait for a red day. When it comes back, then you buy the same call option at a cheaper price. But the one I had previously, I mentioned about PLTR so many times in this particular channel. So my expiry date in August, and I think my 20 is my strike price. And I know many of us in this particular channel, we bought a long expiry date PLTR call option, and I'm not going to mention those names, but we all are in profit, so congratulations. So anyway, it's up to you, but just look at the chart. What do you think is the break even? If you think it can go up to 27, 28, then you can always choose something like 23 or 24 is strike. So 23 plus 3 is 26. So again, it's up to you how much you want to pay. But again, look at the volatility is only 58%, so still is good. As long as it moves sideways, you will not lose a lot of money. But if it moves up, then your premium will also go up. So again, you can choose 23 or 24 strike price, even 22. I would go with 22 or 23 and pay the money. If it goes up, your share price goes up, then you sell and lock your profit. But whoever bought those during the dip, especially the call option, they are definitely killing it. And just look at one other thing which is important, which we call delta. And probably you know about delta, that it gives you the number, right? So look at the delta. So if you buy 23 strike price, your delta is 60, meaning that if PLTR goes $1, you will get $60. So you buy with $310, let's say, it will become 380. And just looking at the price, it came down. We went 24.5, then we came to 23.3, so almost one down, $1 less. So even if you buy now, and if it goes back to again today's high, then it will make $60. But I would say if you haven't established any position, I would suggest wait, maybe wait for a pullback. It might come back to 23 or 22.5 area, because back to back many days we had green days, and you can see that end of the day we had a huge spike. So yesterday around 4 p.m., then after market we moved sideways, then this morning huge volume came and dragged the price higher. Now you can see the volumes are dying, they are coming. So not bad. Maybe it will just come a little bit more, the price will come down, or maybe you can see some big spike in green volume, it will drive the price higher. Anyway, keep that in mind. PLTR is a long-term hold. It has a long price target of $45-50, and previously it went to $45. So definitely from here you can double your money if you're holding it long. And some people has even higher price target, but anyway, 45 was before, so why not? Our price target is 45, so you can easily double your money for a long-term hold. So anyway, my friend, just wanted to make this video super quick so that we can all know what happened today. And at the same time, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Just clicking like button takes 1 second, but it helps my video to grow, and YouTube algorithm will find my video and it will share to other people so people will know about PLTR. At the same time, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.